In every community, there are people who go above and beyond. Meet Luxolo Mvandaba, Whittlesey's community hero, making a real difference, inspiring others and changing lives. Man and Boy Child Empowerment Program.
Ndizelwe ndakhulelwe eSADA. I was born and bred in Batters in Whittlesey, the 5360. That is how we. So my main aim is to help Amadoda to come back into their senses and realize their importance in the society, and to make sure that Nomdano Ngwengu ukhula ezazi ukuba he is allowed to be not okay, he is allowed to cry, he is allowed to be vulnerable, he is allowed to feel vulnerable. We grew up, we were being told that indoda ikhali, and these are the things and myths that we are trying to because we are facing a crisis whereby Amadoda, CFA Amadoda, ayazibulala, the boy child suffering, akakwazi ukuthetha because ukhuliswa ngelithi makumelele makangathethi. But the issue is Amadoda are having an issue of low life. So Unmasking is saying, let's not hide in church, let's not hide behind the mask, let's gather around fires, man, and let's talk. Let's be vulnerable, let's unmask, let's talk.
Highlights of the program.
Some I've managed to speak to them and speak live to them when they wanted to commit suicide, because I am a mental health activist, because I also I'm still suffering from depression and anxiety. But because if I talk about it, I take my medication, so it did make a difference to change people's perspective. The highlight was when we were having an outreach to distribute for Boy Child toilet drive. So we had a toilet drive for Abafana School. So we're distributing most scholars SADA, khuthaza abantu amakhwenkwe uba mawafunde acoceke esikolweni. And I could see the excitement eyayikhona kwezi boys, and I said to them, look, I'm not just doing this, I'm doing this because I've never in my life, ukhula kwami, during my formative years, ndikwazi uku-afforda my own toiletries to say, this is my soap, this is my all-on, and this is my toothpaste. We also did a sanitary drive for females, which was done by Boy Child. And I remember I did this in Zolani High School, where we educating boys about menstruation, educating boys that they're going to be responsible fathers, they're going to be approachable fathers one day. They need to know the menstruation, they need to know that it's not the wrong thing, So we distributed sanitary pads. The first school was Zolani. I can't recall the other schools I went to, but the first school was Zolani. Then we distributed Izihlangu all over the Eastern Cape, and also we donated more than 250 pairs to Mfogwene when they had an outreach Western Scholars by. We made a donation of Islam Scholar to empower and also to inspire kids to be a scholar. We hosted the SADA Youth Festival. It was some teaching. Kwakukuhle kakhulu ubona abantwana singing smiles, zabantwana babencomile, beqala experience jumping classes. Siyayazi uba abantwana baseSADA abanye babo bazange, they've never went to Spare, they've never went to ezindawo zine-jumping castle komakhasini, but the experience they had on that day, they smiled. I remember Mr. Lizo Msutu when he was capturing those moments, and I want to say thanks to him because he donated. He said, look, I want to see them smiling. It's the only thing that keeps me going, to see the smile. Kubantwana baseSADA bencomile, and we had all those kind of games, and they were free. And unfortunately, due to nature, causes kwabakho imvula, kwabakho yonke loo nto, event ke yaphela isima. Kodwa ke siyambula uThixo because athendiwe kakhulu ngabantu. Abantu came in numbers, abantu were so excited, abazali, they had picnics. It was an experience engazange yenzeke eSADA. Siyambula uThixo.
The challenges.
Hayi, uya-undermine isada umuntu ongekho associated nabantu abathile. Uya-undermine isada umuntu ongasuki kwikhaya elidumileyo. Akaxhaswa umuntu esada ongasuki kumakhaya aziwayo. Sizaba yingxaki ke for abantu basesada loo nto. You lose out on many things. Okwesibini, iyona nto ibetha esada ithi ukungasebenzisani kwi-organization, ukungaxhasani kwe-stakeholders, nokokuba i-NGO ezikhoyo enye itsale kwenye icala, enye itsale kwenye icala. Ayikho into yoba ezi-organization mazisebenze kunye, mazi-affiliate, mazenze collaboration. Also ke nalaa nto yokuba there is a competition instead of complementing i-organizations ziyakompyutha. You know, ngubani ufuna ifame, ngubani ufuna urecognizwe, ngubani omakaxhaswe, okanye omnye ngokamaziyo omnye but akafuna adibane naye kwispace yakho ngathi mhlawumbi uyazi i-resources okanye ii-funders zakhe ezindawo. And also the lack of youth resource centers. Siyababulela kakhulu abantu abafana no-Mr. Sibusiso Molefe. We're trying to bring out the community, resource center.
Catch Luxolo Mvandaba, Whittlesey's Community Hero, on the 10th of March 2026 at 10 a.m. on Whittlesey TV, the pride of Whittlesey.